Hi guys, welcome back to Kruze Club. Today we're taking a look at the Aston Martin DBX 707.
Martin DBX 707. Man, this big
Starting with the front, the DBX embodies pure Aston Martin DNA with a massive grille. That's both a bold design statement and a key component in cooling the vehicle. The bumper's functional air vents enhance airflow and cooling, while the front splitter optimizes aerodynamics by reducing drag. The LED headlights and daytime running lights have a distinctive Aston Martin signature. The fin vents on the hood effectively dissipate heat from the big V8 engine that lies beneath. You can see how Aston Martin's design expertise shines through in this SUV, resulting in a truly head-turning vehicle. Check out those 23-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a textured grey finish. They're massive and add to the DBX's aggressive stance. The high-performance Pirelli tires are the perfect fit, providing the grip and handling you'd expect from an Aston Martin. And let's not forget about the carbon ceramic brakes, which deliver exceptional stopping power. Those big blue brake calipers are a nice touch, adding a pop of color that complements the overall design. Moving down the side of the car, you can clearly see the aerodynamic language from the side vents to the side skirts. Every element screams aggression and performance.
23-inch wheels. So beautiful.
At the rear, the DBX maintains its aggressive stance with its signature Aston Martin design language. The taillights are sleek and distinctive, featuring LED elements that echo Aston Martin's signature design cues. They add a touch of sophistication to the rear while maintaining a sporty vibe. The ducktail spoiler is a nice touch, adding a bit of flair to the rear. It's interesting to see how Aston Martin has carried over this design element across its current lineup. It also has an additional carbon rear wing, aiding aerodynamics and to complete the sporty look. The quad exhaust tips inject a dose of aggression and sportiness into the rear, while the twin diffuser is a statement piece that prioritizes attitude over restraint. And beyond the bold looks, the DBX 707 also offers practicality with the tow hitch, handy for holding trailers or providing an extra layer of security in tight parking spots.
Alcantara carbon fiber on the doors. Alright. I like this spec. Yeah. Fully spec'd, isn't it?
Have to send me your YouTube.
Yeah.
This car is powered by a
Yes,
4-liter
please.
twin-turbo V8 pushing 707 horsepower and 900 Nm.
Yeah. Thank you.
And there you have it, the Aston Martin DBX 707, a true embodiment of a sports SUV that unleashes raw V8 power and unapologetic aggression. With its potent performance and striking design, it raises the bar for high-performance SUVs. Can it truly claim the title of Ultimate Sport SUV? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.